Putting money on a Cash App card at 7-Eleven is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, locate a 7-Eleven store near you that supports Cash App card reloads. Not all 7-Eleven stores may offer this service, so you may want to call ahead or check online to find a participating location. Make sure to bring your Cash App card with you to the store. Once inside the store, go to the cashier or customer service desk and let them know that you would like to load money onto your Cash App card. Hand over your Cash App card to the cashier. Now, you will need to provide cash or another accepted payment method, such as debit card to the cashier. Let them know the amount you want to load onto your Cash App card. The cashier will process the transaction and load the specified amount onto your Cash App card. Once the transaction is complete, double-check the amount loaded onto your Cash App card and ensure it matches your intended amount. The cashier should provide you with a receipt for the reload transaction. After reloading, you can check your Cash App balance to confirm that the funds have been successfully added to your card.